This video is about Bowen Therapy. Health and wholeness from the inside out, that's my motto. Sherry Barrett, Certified Bowen Health Therapist, Advanced Training in Sports, 403-347-0159, Red Deer, Alberta. Content of this video: who can benefit from Bowen? What happens in a Bowen session? Some conditions Bowen helps. My Bowen testimony. Contact information. Who can benefit from Bowen? Absolutely everybody. Bowen is safe to use on anyone from newborn to the elderly. There's no vigorous manipulations. It's soothing and restorative. It reduces mental and emotional stress, improves joint mobility, increases circulation of lymphatic and venous fluids and assimilation of nutrients, and eliminates toxins. What happens in a Bowen session? Restoration and relaxation. The client lies on the bed wearing loose-fitting clothing and relaxes, often falls asleep. The therapist applies a series of gentle moves along the spine at specific points. These movements consist of subtle rolling of muscles, nerves, tendons, and connective tissue. The therapist leaves the room between each pattern to allow the client the maximum space for deep relaxation and integration of the information received. Some conditions Bowen helps. I've listed a bunch, there's many more. Feel free to look through them. I will highlight a few of them. Musculoskeletal, frozen shoulder, TMJ, fibromyalgia, migraines, shin splints, gait disorders, hernias, pelvis problems, repetitive strain injury, sciatica, respiratory problems, asthma, bronchitis, indigestion, bowel problems, gynecological problems, bedwetting, incontinence, infections. In place of illness and discomfort, Bowen introduces a state of ease and well-being. Bowen helps a myriad of other conditions. My Bowen testimony. I was born with medical conditions from day one, coupled with traumas and injuries and 2 serious brain injuries. Before Bowen, I wore braces on almost every joint, used a walker, a scooter, wasn't able to sleep flat and be able to breathe. I had asthma, joint disorders, I dislocated continually. I had bleeding disorders, I had degenerative joint disease, Sjogren's, fibromyalgia was one of the labels. I had chronic pain, hypermobile lax joints, carpal tunnel, didn't sleep well, memory trouble, spasms, fatigue, asthma. Since Bowen, I no longer use braces or use a walker. My legs don't give out, I don't dislocate, my iron is normal, I sleep. I'm able to learn, the numbness and tingling is gone, my immune system is strong, I'm off all medications. I no longer have spasms. Bowen Therapy. Now that you know a little bit about it, start your road to recovery today with Bowen Therapy. Sherry Barrett, Certified Bowen Health Therapist with Advanced Training in Sports, 403-347-0159 in Red Deer.